Hi everyone, it's Ruben Ramos, welcome back to my channel. I finally received a product that I've been wanting to try. It's the Instant Hair Coloring Wax, so if you want to see how good it works, if it works, or if the result is like dyeing your hair, just keep on watching. So, I want to say that comes in that form. This has 4.23 ounces, which is quite a lot. 120 grams if you are from Europe. And it comes with this to protect. Let's open it. You can see that it's like a pomade that is supposed to be a wax, so it should hold your hair while it's coloring. I'm taking the rest of the product that is here. It's quite a lot, but I think that if I don't take this amount of product, it won't do anything. Let's try it. And I'm gonna apply it just the way I apply my regular wax. Okay, just this amount of product is giving me that little bit of highlights. It feels dry, it doesn't feel oily, doesn't feel like too watery, even though it's quite liquid. I think if we want to see more than this, you're gonna have to apply a lot more. I think that's why it comes that much, because you have to use a lot. And what if I do like that? Okay, now we have it. Okay, that's it. Yes, you have to put like a lot. See? Okay, now we can see something. So you have seen I've taken all this amount and I just have this amount of color on my hair. So if you want to have all your hair colored, I think you have to use it, all of it. So I'm taking all this. This is more, well, it's holding, but it's more like just paint. Of course it gives you color because you're putting paint. Okay, if you want to comb your hair, it's like almost impossible because it's super holding. You see, it's holding a lot. So I think the best option to do this hair and to use this product is slicking your hair back. If the purpose of your hairstyle is like that, slicked back, it's gonna look okay. If you're trying to have a loose hairstyle with this coloring wax, it's gonna be impossible. As you see, I'm taking a little bit more and I'm doing it on the sides and on the back. It reminds me to some effects that I've seen on some fashion shows. I will try to link the images. So I don't know how it looks on the back. Maybe I should put a little bit more here. It's impossible. So I think the only way to use this is with your hands. Just this. I'm just gonna wash my hands and I will give you my last impressions. Okay, my final thoughts of this product is nice. I think it's quite fun. I think you can give some use to it. Would I recommend this to avoid dyeing your hair silver? If you just want your hair silver for one day or for 2 days or for an event or for something like that, yes. If you want to have your silver hair every day with every hairstyle, or to be able to wear your silver hair in any way, no, I won't recommend you this, because in my opinion just allows you to wear your hair like that, so slicked, or wet effect, or if you have it curly, maybe you can also wear it because it will define a lot your curls and it will give you color to your curls. But you cannot use this with a straight hair, silky, loose hair. No, this is a very limited that I think you can use it for a show, for a fashion show, for an event, for a party, but I think it's gonna be a little bit weird if you use this on your daily basis. So please don't forget to let me know what did you think about this experiment, if you like the result, if you don't, and also follow me on my social media to tell me what content would you enjoy to see. Thanks for being there and see you next week.